So we got the floors being torn up right now. Let's see, these are like, there's still kind of some kind of this material. So this all have to be, hopefully, I don't know if that can even come off. You think it'll be able to come off? Nah.
Nah.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm trying to script.
Because if you did epoxy on this, you think you could do epoxy over this?
No, no, when the guy used the epoxy, I need to sand it.
You gotta sand it down first, huh?
Yeah, I need to sand it everything very, very smooth.
Because if you could get it down to where it's just smooth, that'll be cool. Yeah, that'll be cool, man.
Yeah, but I don't think so. I don't need to scrap a little bit.
Yeah.
The other guy's starting to
Okay. Well, it's gonna be a lot of work, man, to get it done, but it'll get done. It'll get done, man. Okay.
So it's been hard now.
Yeah, yeah.
In some floors, it's easy because it's a thin. They give us thin.
Yeah, you know we do it thin, yeah.
Yeah, you got it's a very.
Yeah. All right, everybody. So what's going on? A little update. Right now we got the team out. They're doing some epoxy flooring. I just went to pick the chairs up. So we do have the chairs in. I'll put that clip in here. The chairs getting delivered. So yeah, it's official. We have the chairs. So we now laying the epoxy down. This is gonna be a crazy day. Exciting to see. Getting everything together. It's crazy. They're just laying down everything. So these are the colors that we're going with.
Yep.
Those are the colors. And they're getting everything poured up. And he's already kind of laying the base of it. It already looks crazy in here already. As you guys can see, it looks like super like liquidy already. Looks crazy. So they're gonna pour this down and get the white base going, and then it'll be those colors kind of mixed in. And where can they find you guys at?
Fluid Floors.
Fluid Floors. So
Yeah.
they're the best. They were referred by a buddy of mine that did the floors prior to this, and then you guys can find them. Fluid Floors, and they're very consistent, very, very consistent, good at what they do. So I'll leave the description down below, but I'm excited, although nervous. It's like we were like, this is obviously a big job. So, but look at that. Looks crazy already. Look at that. So they're going to be cleating up here in a second, and then they'll be putting their cleats on, because once this is all down, you're not able to walk on this. So they'll have their cleats on. They'll be, this right here is a primer. So they had to come in. We had the floors done, removed. Then we had to come in with the diamond blades and get it all scraped up, and then get a little resin over it. That sat for a month. It cured. Then he came in. He rescuffed the floors, and then he laid a primer yesterday, and they filled all the holes, and there was big craters, and they did a good job on that. So now they're just going to lay this down, and then they'll start layering down, and you guys will be seeing the journey, man. It's already like kind of brightening in here, huh? Yeah. It already looks kind of brighting. It looks bright already. It looks crazy. Like, it's going to be exciting to see. I'm ready to see the greens and the flow.
We got a little of a third color coming up, the underlayment.
Yeah, I was seeing that. Yeah. And that looks good too, because it doesn't look like so white. It looks kind of like it's kind of bleeding through, so that looks good too. That looks good. Looks good in here, you guys. And it's like when he's doing it, it looks like almost like, I can't explain it. It's almost like, I don't know. You can see how shiny. Look, you can see the reflection of the light already. Like, you already see the light, and that was the goal I wanted. Like the marble look. It's like a bowling ball. You know what I mean? You want that look, because now we can see the lighting in the floor. So stay tuned, man. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That shit is, you guys, this is the most craziest shit you're ever gonna see in your life. Holy shit. Oh man, this is like, it makes me nervous, because it's like, oh man, it looks crazy. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness, it looks crazy. Yeah, it's like imagine if you're on acid or some shit or shrooms. Like you know what I mean? That shit look crazy. Damn, that's it. If you guys looking to get epoxy floors, hit my guy. He's definitely good at what he does. He's very impressive. I'm not gonna lie. I'm impressed. And that's not even like nowhere near even like settling or where we're going with it, but I obviously can see the vision. And this looks, and camera probably ain't doing justice, but just look how you can see in that area the reflection off the, holy smokes. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Crazy. Looks wild, you guys. Yep, that corner, yep. Maybe, yep, on that other side. Yep, right there, yep.
Back here?
Yep. And then probably right in that station area. Look, it's crazy, you guys. Oh my goodness. And then maybe right here, because we got the waiting area right here. It's probably a little right there. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe hit the center, in this, somewhere in here.
Yeah,
like, yeah. Yeah, somewhere in here, yeah. Looks wicked, man. That's crazy. That is crazy. I would say maybe just a little by the TV, just to kind of break up that black a little bit. Yeah, the black wall. Like maybe to right where you're at, the left foot. Yeah, right there, yeah. Just because I feel like it's the wall's black. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, it looks wicked. It looks wicked.
I'm gonna try to move it around.
Okay. All right, you guys. Here goes the push mode. Here we go. It seems to scare me. I'm like, shit.
That's the thing about the spikes.
For real? They're dangerous?
Yeah, yes.
Damn, I see that. I don't want them to fall and hurt itself. I'm like,
I
better not mess with it anymore. Except for that one white area, you want to keep that?
I do like that. I'm not so against the white. I think the white looks good.
It does look very busy.
Yes.
But
yes.
you see what it's doing? It's breaking up.
Yeah.
You're gonna get some weird stuff happening. It's gonna give you like this 3D. Look at this little stuff that's happening here.
Mm-hmm.
And that hopefully makes everything look better.
Yeah, it looks crazy. It looks crazy. Looks good. Looks good.
Hey Jake, I need a bucket. Hey Jake, I need a bucket.
What?
I need a bucket.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks crazy,
What kind
man.
of bucket? Just empty or what?
To put a trowel in.
Okay.
Looks good. Looks good, man. Looks wicked. It's crazy.
They always look funny right when they're
Yeah.
I don't know.
The green looks like money, though. I know that. The green. What up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. So, just gassing up this little whip right now. About to go slide and get a little Demir. So, gotta go get her LOL doll, man. I promised her LOL doll. I gotta go get her LOL doll. I promised her a LOL doll. So, yeah, man. Whew, what a day, what a week, what a time, what a grind, man. We've been getting a lot of shit done. I'm proud of myself, man. We did what we had to do. And look, it ain't even like done because we just getting started, really, if you really put it in perspective. Like, there's so much to get done. Not that I'm like, what's the word, exhilarated from it, but now we got to start the marketing and the back end and the websites and all that stuff and get everything, the applications and get people coming in. And then we got work to do. We got work to do, man. But it's, you know what? It's a fun grind, and I'm loving everything about it. And I'm just very grateful for my team and everyone that I do have in my corner that is obviously helping me complete this vision and this journey, because it definitely wasn't just me. Shout out to all the contractors that played a part in this. Shout out to Suji, shout out to Kelly, shout out to Brittany, shout out to all my people, video only, my guy Tony, for my chairs, everybody that played a part. There was tons of people, man, that played a part in this shit, honestly. Tons of people. Who else I gotta give? Shout out to my boy Juan for the paint. Who else? Grant on the TVs. Shout out to Miguel on all the bathroom shit. Who else do we gotta give praise to on this joint, man? Let's see. Shout out to myself for even negotiating this deal, and being my own real estate agent and representing myself in this whole deal. I think that was the most important reflective part of it. That's what Nipsey was telling us, man, like all money in. So I was able to negotiate the terms and the LOI on this deal and bring this deal under my terms of what I wanted and negotiated them. And that was how we got here. I had some bad contracts that had got me in some big trouble with some shady landlords. And man, I want to give y'all some real perspective on this too. Like, stop trying to rush the journey. This took 4 years. This took 4 years. And it's crazy, like, see where I am now. I had this vision back in 2019, 2020. I already had this vision of doing the YouTube, doing all this stuff and getting it popping. Just where I'm at now, seeing how my body looked, how my physique, like I literally envisioned this shit years ago. You know what I'm saying? And I just put it all into work, and into perspective and into where it is now. And I'm proud of myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to say it was easy. I'm going to say there was a lot of nights. And I really want to give a major shout out to Suji. You know what I'm saying? Like, shout out to Yin Yin, man. Like, she's such a boss, man. Like, I seen things in her she couldn't see in herself. And for her to take her leap of faith and get her real estate license and really just, believe in herself, man, that's so dope. That's what I represent, right? Like, anyone around me, no matter what they're gonna say, anyone that ever stepped in my presence and was in my vicinity has always elevated. I don't care what they got to say about me. I've never tore people down, and when I leave, they leave with some game. They leave with some kind of something that is tangible and valuable to them, and that's acceptable. Because I have a special gift, and I had a person tell me years ago, man, you got a gift, man, and you got to be careful with your gift, who you share it with, who you give it to, and who you are able to like expand with, because sometimes your gift can get you in trouble. And I know that. I used to abuse my gift years ago. So now I know where I am now. I don't ever want to fuck that up no more, because I know I have a gift, and everybody's not gonna be able to get my gift. You know what I'm saying? So let me run in here real fast, grab Demia's toy, and then we'll show you guys the shop. The last period of the floor is on, chairs are in. Now it's time to put everything where it goes, and let's go. So I will see y'all. Do you guys want to come here with me? Fuck it, let's go to Target together. Come on, let's go to Target. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Y'all my family, man. I'm bringing y'all with me, man. We go to Target together, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll bring y'all with me, man. We're going to Target together. Oh, it's at the gym. Crazy workout. Crazy workout. You know what I'm saying? Just had a crazy workout. Oh man, God is the greatest, man. Just had a crazy, astronomical workout. Shout out to the gym too, cause but I'm gonna go in here, grab us some stuff, and then yeah, man, turn it in for the night. Got church tomorrow, and then the grind don't stop, man. The grind does not stop. So man, I'm going here, and then I'll turn the camera on when we get where we going. Peace.